Control freak, it's kind of hard to describe because it falls in between all the disciplines, because it's a mixture of circus and live music and humor and clowning and theater and technology.
Una fiesta disco.
The point of the show is communication on stage between everything, and of course between me and the audience and between me and the things. It's all the time things are interacting. Everything I do in this show I did not learn. What I learned was degrees in mathematics and physics, which were pretty useless. I mean, it's very theoretical, but when this started to bug me, then I just studied as I went along, very autodidactic kind of way. This is a fairly new show. I worked on it for a little over 18 years, but as I worked on it, I did a lot of other things. So, I mean, it only came to be about a year ago, and I've been performing for almost 20 years.
Vamos a tocar juntos. Hey, babe, I say the way you move's gonna make you shake, gonna make you groove.